Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can rotate texts in 3D in your Microsoft PowerPoint presentations in 2026. So let us get started. Head over to the slide of your PowerPoint presentation with the given text. I will go with this one here. What you need to do in the first step, guys, is double click into the text to highlight it. Next, navigate to shape format and select text effects, or alternatively simply right click into the text and select format shape. It's going to lead you to this menu here to the right. Here switch from shape options to text options. Navigate to text effects here and expand the 3D rotation settings. Here guys, there are two ways how you can do this. You can select a preset 3D rotation or simply adjust your custom rotation here. I will go with preset and choose one of these options like this, or that one, or this one. And as previously mentioned, guys, you can use these arrow up and down icons here to adjust the rotation angle for the X, Y, Z rotations, the perspective, the distance from the ground, or reset to factory settings. That's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.